Are you a lover of nature? Do you care about the legacy you leave for your children? Do you want to see a Nigeria where our environment is clean and fresh, supporting our health and all the life forms that God has blessed us with? Are you willing to do something as simple as a walk to support actions that impact positively on our environment? Here is your chance. Join other nature lovers and enthusiasts at the 2013 edition of Walk for Nature, organized by the Nigerian Conservation Foundation in collaboration with the Lagos State Government. Let us draw attention to good environmental governance and encourage others to be part of the sustainable development agenda of Nigeria in general and Lagos State in particular. Date: Saturday, October 12, 2013. Time: 7 a.m. prompt. Takeoff point: Lagos State House Car Park, Marina. Walk route: Inner and Outer Marina. Chief hosts: Mr. Babatunde Raji Fashola, SAN, Executive Governor of Lagos State. Chairman: Izoma P.C Asiodu, CON. President: Nigerian Conservation Foundation. For more information, contact Funmi on funmi.tsewinor at ncfnigeria.org. Telephone 0806 545 1463 or Mike on michael.nwaomonoh at ncfnigeria.org. Telephone 0803 418 6865. Let's celebrate a greener Lagos. Let's walk for nature.